What's up, guys? We're back. Another quick video. As a matter of fact, my first video for 2025. Hopefully everybody's doing well. I have a couple avocados that fell off the tree because of our heavy winds. So we have a Jim bacon right here on the left side. I also have this right here, which is a surprise. Look how big this guy is. I'm gonna weigh it real quick. Hold on, let's see. This one weighs 1 pound, 6 ounces. So the Jim bacon weighs in at just 6 ounces. So the surprise is a full 1 pound heavier. Yeah, a little bit over. So 1 pound heavier than the Jim bacon. As you can see, the Jim bacon has this kind of like a red blush to it. So this fell off the tree because we had some really heavy winds this last couple weeks. And I was out there and I noticed it on the ground, so I picked it up. And right now it's soft. It's soft enough to actually eat and enjoy. I want to see how this compares to the regular bacon. Here's a bacon. So this year my bacon is a little smaller, on the smaller side, and I believe, and what I've noticed is that if the tree sets a lot of fruit, where it's so much fruit that the limbs are heavy, usually the fruit are on the smaller side, kind of like this. So I do have, more Jim bacon on the tree, and there's bigger fruit than this. I'm gonna leave those fruit on there to allow them to kind of mature a little bit more. But we are currently harvesting bacon right now, enjoying them. Also, this is a Zutano. So the Zutano is currently available right now also. Or I should put it, bacon and Zutano are currently being enjoyed by our family and friends and neighbors and things like that. So what I want to do is, since this one's ready, I want to cut the Jim bacon and just do a quick taste test of the Jim bacon and see how it compares to kind of like my memory of some of the other varieties that I have had the chance to enjoy. So let's do it real quick. So here's the Jim bacon, and it's definitely soft. So straight down, and then just cut it open. Let's see what this thing looks like on the inside here. It actually, it looks nice. I see a line here, maybe a little string, but I don't know for sure. The seed is good ratio. It's not too big, not too small, kind of average. So let's give it a quick taste test here. I got a little spoon. Let's see how it comes out. Oh, but first, before we do that, I always do a peel test, right? So let's do this scientific peel test. Let's kind of start from here. So skin is on the thinner side. It does not peel that nice. So it is what it is. The book says it's actually a thin skin avocado, so I already knew that. But sometimes, it's a medium to thin, and this one I would say is probably on the thinner side. So let's get back to this and just do a quick taste test of this. It's good. It's a good avocado. It's creamy. It has a nutty flavor. I thought I was gonna notice some stringiness, but nothing at all, at least on this one. This is a very good avocado. I like it. I do taste a little sweetness. And what I've noticed is with my bacon and also with just Jim bacon, it's kind of on. It has a little sweetness to it. It's definitely creamy and buttery. It's a nice tasting avocado. So besides the thin skin, it's actually nice. Okay. So that was Jim bacon. Surprise is this one I just picked, so it's not ready. But you can see there's ridges. So that's one of the characteristics of a surprise fruit. Also, you can see, it turned black on the tree. So I picked it today, and there's still a little green. You can see that there. But I did have another one that fell off the tree earlier. So this is the one that fell off the tree, and I already cut it and I already did a taste, and I didn't get a chance to do a video. But you can see I wrapped it in little plastic wrap, and seed size is on the smaller side compared to the overall flesh. So what I'll do is, let me pull this out and I'll do my peel test for you guys. So peeling from, I believe this is the bottom. Thinner skin also, and we kind of knew that. So let me see, I just cut, where did I cut this? So I cut this section, and you can see the color of the surprise compared to Jim bacon. I would say the Jim bacon's probably lighter. This is more darker colored. Surprise more darker colored. So I'll do another taste test again, and I'll compare the two. Very, very creamy, buttery. It does have a good avocado flavor also. This was sitting in my fridge, so it's definitely colder. The Jim bacon was sitting on the counter. The surprise was sitting in the fridge, so it's colder. So I don't know if that's making a difference in the taste. Okay, hold on. Let me see which one I like better. So after eating the surprise and going back to the Jim bacon, you can definitely taste how much sweeter the Jim bacon was. The Jim bacon's creamy and sweet, a little on the sweeter side. Surprise is not as sweet, does have good avocado flavor. What the surprise reminds me of is Stewart. It tastes pretty much more mild than a Stewart. A Stewart's probably a little bit more rich, but this is actually a really good tasting avocado. This would go great on toast. This would be an excellent avocado for a guac also, considering the size of that fruit. I mean, if you had this fruit, which is 1 pound and 6 ounces, one bowl of guac that's plenty for the whole family, so this is good. In closing, I just kind of, let me see, comparing these two, which one would I rather have? Since I got the space, I'm going to have both. But if you, I guess it's all preference, right? If you want something that's more sweet, at least to me and my taste buds, we all have different taste buds. So this tastes a little bit more sweet. If I made this into like a smoothie or a shake, this would be really good. The Jim bacon would be really good. Now, for a guac, I would probably choose the surprise as a guac. Both would probably be excellent on toast. So, but that's what we got. I mean, I'm excited to see. I mean, if this one fell off the tree, based on the winds. It was already dark when I picked it off the ground. So this should be the same. This surprise should be the same. And you know, when we get a chance to enjoy this, I'll make a big bowl of guac. And well, it looks like I lost some footage, so I'm back out in my little grove here, and I want to show you guys my gym bacon. So that's the 5-foot mark. Here's my gym bacon, and this is the fruit that we got in there. There's a couple in there like that. So this one was bigger than the one I just cut up and ate and did a taste test on. So we'll keep this on here just to see how it goes. Okay, so and here is the surprise avocado, and I'm panning up. It's pretty big. Let me see if I can go back a little further. So that's kind of what it looks like. A little sprawling, weeping. There's fruit on there. Get you in on one of them so you can see. So also what I've noticed right now is that the surprise is starting to flower. It's January 16th, so we've had a really mild, warmer winter. So it's starting to flower, and we got flowers on some of our other varieties also. So we'll see how it goes. I guess in closing, you know, if you have the room, I would say get both. And if you only have one tree, maybe do a double graft. Kind of like, you know, do a Frankenstein type of avocado tree. You can have multiple varieties on one tree. So hopefully you guys are doing good. We will talk later. Talk to you guys later. See ya.